Hi everyone, it's Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to share with you guys some birthday gifts that I received from my really sweet friend Anna, who is Serenity Creations. Hey Chica! I met up with her, well, she came over on Saturday to celebrate my birthday, and she brought a bunch of balloons, and she brought lunch. We were going to do some shopping. We were also going to do some make and takes, which I'll share with you what she had me create. And she brought me a bag of goodies. So thank you so much, Anna, for spending time with me on Saturday. I had a blast, even though it was not as long as we normally hang out. But life happens, you guys know. So let me share with you this super, super sweet card that she made me. And I love polka doodles, and I do have this image. I've yet to color her up, but so pretty. She has this birch press design layered a background die with all these hearts, and I love all the fun colors. She has a rosette in the back with a heart, stitched heart die cut that is all glittery. And there's glitter all over this card. Love it. And she wrote me a super, super sweet note inside. So thank you so much, girl. So let's get into the goodies that she gifted me. So she gave me a pair of these socks. They are so soft. And like I said in my last video, I live in socks. So these will be on my feet very soon. And I love the colors. There was also this super cute box, and inside she gifted me some jewelry pieces. So this is a super cute fox. So I plan on wearing that. She's been trying to get me to wear jewelry because I'm one of those girls that just never remembers to wear it. She also had in here some of her paper clips, her paper clip dangles that she made. And I really need to make some of these. She was telling me that these are just so quick and easy, and I don't know why I don't do it, but now I have some inspiration. And this was what was making this smell so good. It's an aromatherapy bracelet. And I think she said this is lemongrass. It smells so good, you guys. I wish you guys could smell it. But I had to contain it inside the box because I didn't want the fragrance to, you know, dissipate. So thank you so much, Anna. I promise I will wear more jewelry. Okay. So she also gifted me this Soap and Glory. This is one of my favorite brands of like soap products, I guess you can say. So this one has hand lotions in here in 3 different, I don't know if it's just scents or, yeah, it looks like they're all basically the same, but the scent is just different. And if you guys have never tried the Soap and Glory, you can get these at Target. I use the body butter, and it smells so good. Like I was telling Anna, you don't even need any perfume or anything. It is great, and it's really hydrating, and I really do love it. So thank you so much. She also gifted me this huge box of these gems from Hobby Lobby, and I don't remember seeing this. And I do remember somebody hauling this recently, but I mean, look at this. There are a ton, and I love how it's all separated in different sizes. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different colors in here. I mean, I have gems for days. So thank you so much. They're all so pretty. They're all faceted. So watch out for some of these coming up in some projects because I have a ton. She also gifted me this super pretty, like, ceramic, like, candy dish, I guess you can say, or you can use it for jewelry. But look how pretty that is. It's in this really soft pink color. And the lid just opens like this. And I can put some potpourri in here if I want. This will be staying downstairs in my living room on one of my bookcases. But it's so pretty. It's really heavy. So I'm really trying hard not to break it while I'm moving it from upstairs to downstairs. But thank you so much, Anna. I love it. Anna also brought me a little bundt cake. And I guess she said it was from... Now I cannot remember the name of it. But it was delicious. It was from a place I've never been to. Everything bundt cake, I think. But Anna, thank you so much for coming over. You made my birthday so special. And like I mentioned, we did some make and takes, and I had her make a little gift box. I will actually be having that in a tutorial coming up really soon, so stay tuned for that. She had me making some jewelry. And I made this all by myself with her direction, of course. So this is like a drop dangle necklace. That's what I'm going to call it. I did pick out all the beads and charms myself and strung them on here. It closes with a lobster clasp, this really pretty heart one from Hobby Lobby. And you just tuck it onto the front large jump ring that holds all the dangles, and it hangs around your neck like that, which I would have never thought to make anything like this. So you guys know, if you've watched Anna, she's like the queen of jewelry. So I will have her YouTube channel linked down below. I'm sure you guys all know who she is. But thank you so much, girl. I really appreciate all the beautiful gifts and you spending time with me, but especially our friendship. And I hope that we can do that some more really soon. And thank you guys so much for stopping by to take a look at some more of my birthday blessings. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, everyone. Heart you.